Alrighty, bud, here we go. Donkey Stomper 1200. You know, your repair video, and there's your 2-pill. Hook them together so we can see how they did. First, we'll start out looking straight through. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We're on 15.5. We'll start at 15.5, then we'll change it. 15.5 radio drive. Input tune on 12, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Turn that off. Turn a little 2-pill. Input on here, hello, 0, output 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, hello, audio. Alright. We'll turn him on. Running 15.5. 2500 watt PEP on the bird. Should smack it. Hello, audio, worldwide in the corner. Get on down. Here we're on 15.5. Actually, it's at 15.6, I think. Alright, on the LP. Worldwide, 2700. Hello, worldwide, 900 average. Alright, I'm gonna go down to 14 volts. I don't know what kind of system you're running. So if you was in your car voltage, which is 14, so we're about right there. 2500 watt PEP. Hello, audio, worldwide, shade over 2000. Voltage makes a big difference. Actually, it's going about 13.9. On the LP, hello, audio, worldwide, still good numbers. Hello, audio, worldwide. There you go, buddy. She's all up and going, and she looks to me like she's drilling like a brand new. There you are, all repaired. Thank you, bud. Thanks for the business. Take care. Your friend in 10, 018B. Oh, yeah. Before I go, one thing I want to show you. When you set this up, here's the way I do it. In case you don't know, I turn the mic all the way down. I got the variable wide open. I'm going to set my dead key. That's plenty. I use my power on my radio. That's plenty dead key, okay? Don't go over 250, but you can even go down to 200. That's what I do. I turn my mic gain down, set my carrier, then I turn my mic gain back up. There you go, worldwide. I think that might be where you're having trouble getting your dead key too high. Alright, bud. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the business. You have a good one. Your friend 10, 018 Beavers. Catch you later. Bye-bye.